InnovaConcrete, which is a material that came into use and was broadly used for the same reason it will continue to be used. It's relatively inexpensive to make. It has incredible uses that can, especially structurally, where you can make something very strong with without a lot of material. You can make it quite fast, so that helps. I think one of the problems with it is that sometimes it isn't made as carefully as it might be. And some of the problems that we see are because it wasn't constructed carefully. So making sure that it's constructed in a way that is good would help it live longer than it has been in the past. Well, monuments of concrete are in danger all over the world. Our group, ICOMOS, the 20th Century Committee, is very involved helping other countries and places that have what we call, heritage at risk or concrete endangered. And in fact, there's one that's owned by the government of Norway in Oslo, government building. It's a beautiful building, fantastic. It is a registered heritage site, and it has Picasso designed these murals that are made out of concrete on the sides of the walls of the outside of the building. And the government wants to tear the building down, so there's been a very strong fight about what's going to happen. I'm afraid we might lose it, but nonetheless, it's something that should be saved. And there's also an important building in Denmark. It's a Viking ship museum that was created to expose or to house these remnants of some Viking ships that were found in the 1960s or late 50s. And they built this beautiful brutalist building that some people think is kind of ugly, but it's really a beautiful building that expresses the idea of the ships that used to be in the water. And now this building has many problems because it's sitting basically right in the salt water of the bay, of the fjord, and that's at risk as well. And they want to, the government again wants to remove that building and replace it with something else. The architects and others that are interested in cultural heritage are trying to fight to keep it and to restore it instead of replace it.